everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I have a few items from Spigen, and I'm going to be taking a look at them today on the video. This is the Spigen PowerArc ArcStation Pro. Now this is a portable charger for your devices. It has a USB-C output on it and 20 watts of power. So again, kind of like one of these new entries that you'll see out there. You know, Spigen and some other manufacturers are making these kind of like small power wall plugs or power adapters. Kind of probably because, if you haven't noticed, a lot of phones are not coming with them anymore. The new iPhone 12s are not coming with an actual charger in the box, so that kind of leaves a little bit of an opportunity out there for companies that make this sort of thing to start selling more if consumers are looking for them, right? So new phones are not coming with them out of the box, and some people might need one, and Spigen has this as an offering. Obviously this can work for anything that has a USB-C cable. You just plug in the USB-C cable into it and you can charge any type of phone. Although in this I also have the Lightning cable. So I do have to thank Spigen for sending both of these over to the channel for an unboxing and initial first look. And in this video, I'm just going to kind of take a look at them, look at the specs, try charging my iPad. I don't know. There's not much more I can do when we're looking at this sort of thing. But we'll start with the cable first, I guess. This is one of their Spigen Essential series cables. It's a USB-C to Lightning cable. It's made for iPhone certified, supports USB power delivery. So you gotta sometimes watch on cables. Not all cables are made the same. Some cables won't support the higher rate of charge that some of these chargers actually put out, and you won't be able to get the fast charge for your phone unless you're using a cable that can support that power level. So you can connect this, and this is a 3.3 foot cable, sync and charge obviously. So you can connect this with a USB power delivery brick, which something like this, or you can use an Apple 29 watt, 30 watt, 61, 87 watt to charge any Lightning port device. So you can use basically any of the Apple adapters, the MacBook adapters that have USB-Cs on them now, and you can connect to your Lightning port and charge it. You can also use it any USB-C port on a PC, laptop, Thunderbolt 3 enabled Mac, iPad Pro for syncing and charging. So obviously what it is, it's a cable. So we'll just kind of quickly take a look at this. And obviously I will link to these in the video description as well, so you can take a look at those. So in typical Apple style, Spigen has made this to be white. As you can see, there's got your Lightning connector here, a little bit of a cable relief overmold on the end. This cable, it's not braided or anything like that. It's a flexible, very similar to any Apple cable, Lightning cable that you would have seen. Maybe a tad bit thicker, I'm not really sure. Feels a little thicker. And on the other end, you have the USB-C connector. Same sort of overmolded strain relief on that piece. Comes with a Spigen cable tie, cable wrap here, which is always nice that you get that. And then, like I said, 3.3 feet. So, nice feeling cable. Like I said, it's got a good thickness, good feel. The connectors look like they're very well made. So now we'll open up the ArcStation Pro. So if we do take a look at this, it's pretty compact. So the back of it is completely flat. It does have the flip out prongs or the charging plugs. They're the same size, so it doesn't have the thicker end or thinner end, right? They're both, so you can flip it. This is a US plug, as you can see. I don't know what they do for other regions around the world, if they make this available and how this works there, I don't know. But with the US plug, you can retract it, and it takes up a little less space and doesn't have those, the power plug prongs sticking out. If you look in the front, there's a little LED and your USB-C connection with a little 20-watt label there. Also in the box, you just get a thank you card. Thanks for choosing Spigen PowerArc. If you need help, how to contact them. And the overall size of this thing, like I said, it's pretty small. It's about 1.5 inches tall by 1 inch by 1.33 inches. So 1.5 inches tall, 1 inch wide, and 1.3 inches deep. So again, it's pretty small, pretty compact. So I've got my iPad Pro here. Plug it in, it's charging, so that's good that it works. So when you do plug this in, you can kind of see it glows blue, or it was glowing blue until just then. So it just shows blue when it's plugged in and charging, I would imagine. And yeah, that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use this to charge my iPhone XS Max, and at the end of this video, I'll just kind of make some commentary on that. Obviously, I'm sure it's going to work, and I want to check to see if it charges it at the fast rate or whatever. I'm sure it will, but I'll make some comments on the end of this video if I notice anything unexpected. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Got the logo there on both sides. But again, if you're looking for some sort of compact power charger for your phones and your devices, definitely take a look at this. Like I said, 20 watts of power, supports power delivery, fast charging on phones. If you get the made for iPhone cable, the lightning cable, you can use that for your iDevices. If you just get a standard USB-C to USB-C cable, you can use that for your Samsung phones and all your Android or other phones that use USB-C, and you should be good to go. So I'm going to jump over to the computer. We'll finish up with some additional thoughts after I use this to charge my iPhone and some other devices, and just I'll give you my thoughts. So let's hop over there. So I did use this to charge a bunch of my devices over the last couple days, including my iPhone XS Max and Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and it works really good. It's pretty quick in charging, does not really get hot at all, and I didn't mention it earlier, but this does feature gallium nitride technology, right? So that replaces the silicone chipset that are typically found in these sorts of wall chargers with gallium nitride, and that basically allows the ArcStation Pro to operate with a higher efficiency and generate less heat than a standard wall charger. So I think that's one of the big pluses here, is that it can put out a lot of power, charge your devices very quickly, but also not build a lot of heat or have any issues of potentially overheating or causing problems. So again, I think this was really good. I really like it. I will link to this in the description. You can check it out on Amazon. Right now, it looks like there's an extra $6 off if you apply a coupon that they have in Amazon, which would bring the total down to like $14 or $14 or $15. So that's a really good deal for this, I think, for the charger itself. It's very high quality, will work perfect for your iPhone 12 or any of your new devices, etc. Thanks again for watching. This is Andrew from TS for Tech, and I'll see you next time.